Hello and welcome to TV Buying Guide, your go-to destination for the latest insights into the world of televisions. Today we'll talk about the differences between Sony XR70 or Bravia 7 and X93L. Sony XR70 or Bravia 7 is introduced as the more affordable mini LED TV series from Sony's 2024 TV lineup, positioned below Sony XR90 or Bravia 9. Sony XR70 or Bravia 7 is positioned as the successor of Sony X93L from Sony's 2023 TV lineup. Sony XR70 is offered in 4 screen size options: 85-inch, 75-inch, 65-inch, and 55-inch, while Sony X93L comes with 3 screen size options: 85-inch, 75-inch, and 65-inch. What is improved in Sony XR70 or Bravia 7 as the successor series? It is recommended to know more about the differences between Sony XR70 or Bravia 7 and X93L before we can find out what is improved in Sony XR70 as the successor series. There are few differences between Sony XR70 or Bravia 7 and X93L. Let's talk more about their differences together. The first difference comes from their XR contrast booster version. While they both come with XR contrast booster, we can find that XR contrast booster integrated with Sony XR70 or Bravia 7 and X93L are different. Sony XR70 or Bravia 7 comes with XR contrast booster 20, while Sony X93L comes with XR contrast booster 15. With XR contrast booster 20, Sony XR70 or Bravia 7 is able to deliver higher peak brightness than Sony X93L with XR contrast booster 15. Second difference comes from their QLED technology. Sony XR70 or Bravia 7 already comes with QLED technology that we can find in Sony X93L. QLED technology is able to deliver more excellent color volume on the screen of Sony XR70, although we can find that Sony X93L is already able to deliver white color gamut, which is XR True Luminous Pro. The third difference comes from their built-in Wi-Fi. The built-in Wi-Fi of Sony XR70 or Bravia 7 and Sony X93L are different. Sony XR70 already comes with Wi-Fi 6, while Sony X93L use the older Wi-Fi. Wi-Fi 6 is the more advanced Wi-Fi that can handle faster internet connection than the older Wi-Fi 5. Fourth difference comes from their remote control. The remote control version included with Sony XR70 or Bravia 7 and Sony X93L are different. Sony XR70 or Bravia 7 comes with RMF DX820U, while Sony X93L comes with RMF DX810U. While they are basically similar in function, we can find that there are minor improvements in RMF DX820U, such as more eco-friendly and easier to clean with flush surface and polyethylene coating. The fifth difference comes from their speaker power output. Both Sony XR70 or Bravia 7 and X93L come with similar acoustic multi-audio speaker type, but we can find that speaker power output integrated with Sony XR70 or Bravia 7 and X93L are different. Sony XR70 or Bravia 7 comes with 40 watt audio power output, while Sony X93L comes with 60 watts audio power output. With 60 watt audio power output, we can enjoy more powerful internal sound from Sony X93L. But we can easily attach an additional soundbar or speaker system to those two TVs to enjoy more powerful surround sound. You can also find the difference from their price. When we look at the price of Sony XR70 or Bravia 7 and X93L, we can find that Sony XR70 or Bravia 7 is normally offered at higher price than Sony X93L for a similar screen size option. If you are interested to know the latest price difference between Sony XR70 and X93L, it is recommended to check the price of those two TVs as TV prices change over time. The differences between Sony XR70 or Bravia 7 and X93L can be summarized with this table. So what is improved in Sony XR70 or Bravia 7? There are few improvements that we can find in Sony XR70 or Bravia 7 as the successor of Sony X93L. Sony XR70 comes with more advanced XR Contrast Booster 20 that can deliver higher peak brightness, while it is also completed with QLED technology that can bring higher color volume. You can also find that Sony XR70 also comes with more advanced Wi-Fi 6 built-in wireless and the newer RMF TX820U remote control. But we can indeed find that Sony XR70 is also offered at a higher price than Sony X93L. So if you don't mind spending more for better higher peak brightness, higher color volume, more advanced Wi-Fi site, and the newer RMF TX820U remote, then Sony XR70 or Bravia 7 is the one that you should choose. In the other side, Sony X93L is a good alternative choice to Sony XR70 or Bravia 7, especially if it is offered at a significantly lower price. It indeed comes with lower peak brightness with XR Contrast Booster 15 and lower color volume without QLED technology, but basically Sony X93L is already able to deliver with contrast ratio and white color gamut. You can also find that Wi-Fi 5 of Sony X93L is basically still can handle 4K streaming for Sony X93L, while its RMF TX810U audio remote still can control Sony X93L conveniently. You can also get a more powerful internal audio output in Sony X93L as an additional bonus. So if your budget is more limited and you get Sony X93L offered at a significantly lower price, then it is surely a good choice for you. Thanks for watching us at TV Buying Guide and have a nice day there.